Good afternoon, guys. In previous classes, we have completed the permutations and combinations chapter. Nothing but exercises and examples problems we have completed. But you know that in your class 11 and also in class 12, after the exercises and before that examples, after the exercises we will have miscellaneous examples, and after that miscellaneous exercise also will be there after every chapter. That means how you are giving importance to exercises and examples problems, that same importance you need to give for miscellaneous examples and also exercises only to some chapters. In that some chapters, this chapter is also there, permutations and combinations. There you need to learn the examples and exercises problems must and should. So here miscellaneous examples and exercise means, so what are the topics covered from exercise 1 to that exercise last exercise in that chapter. So those concepts they will mix and they will give the examples and exercise problems. Now we will discuss the examples. So in this chapter we have 5 miscellaneous examples. So first 3 questions I have written. After doing this, so we will do the remaining 2 questions also. And the example starts with example 20. Now we will start this. How many words with or without meaning, each of 3 vowels and 2 consonants can be formed from the letters of the word involute? So first of all, I will write the given word. So this is example number 20th solution. So what is given word? Involute. So how many letters we have in that word? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 letters we have. And the problem is based upon vowels and consonants, right? So first I will write those, what are the vowels we have and consonants we have. So vowels are nothing but in this word. Vowels are I, O, U, E. 4 vowels we have, and consonants are except that vowels, nothing but N, V, L and T. So 4 vowels and 4 consonants we have. Now what to do with this question is, how many words with or without meaning, each of 3 vowels and 2 consonants, each of 3 vowels and 2 consonants can be formed from the letters of the word involute. So here no particular we are not arranging. So just we need to form those words with 3 vowels and 2 consonants wherever the place is. Right? We need just 3 vowels and 2 consonants. See, that means 3 vowels should be there and 2 consonants should be there. So like that we need to find 5 letter combinations. Right? Here this is about combinations. See here 3 vowels. See, we have availability of 4 vowels. How we can select 3 vowels out of 4 is 4C3 into. Now, this is 2 consonants. In how many ways we can select those 2 consonants? Is 4 consonants we have, we need to select 2, which will be 4C2. Now, after that, so this total will become 5, right? Total will become 5. So those 5 are different vowels we have. Observe. Those 5 are different vowels. So those 5 vowels can be arranged, 5 vowels and consonants can be arranged in 5 factorial ways. Observe here. See, these 3 vowels can be arranged in 4C3 into 2 consonants we can select from 4C2 ways into. So those will become 5, right? 3 vowels and 2 consonants, right? So those 5 are different. So those 5 will be themselves arranged in 5 factorial ways. So totally it will be 4C3 is nothing but 4C3 value is equal to 4C1. 4C1 value is 4 into 4C2. How will you simplify 4C2 is 4 into 3 by 2 into 120. So it will be 2 ones, 2 twos, 4 twos are 8, 8 threes, 24. So it will be 24 into 120 ways. So if we simplify this, 120 into 24, 0, 8, 4, 0, 4 and 2. So it will be 0, 8, 8, 8 and 2. So totally it will be 2880 number of ways 2880 number of ways we can arrange. See, 3 vowels and 2 consonants from the letters of the word Involute. See, here we have written 5 factorial. Why? Because 5 different letters are there. Here no repeated letters are there. So that's why 5 factorial. If any repeated letters are there, means 5 factorial by 2 factorial or 3 factorial, like that we will write. As we have no different, no same letters, so we have written 5 factorial. I hope you understood this. So value is 2880. Pause the video to note it down. Next we will go with the next example. Example number 21. A group consists of 4 girls and 7 boys. First of all, write down the given data. 21st solution. Given a group consists of 4 girls and 7 boys. A group consists of 4 girls and 7 boys. Now, in how many ways can a team is nothing but combinations. Can a team of 5 members be selected if team has no girl? If a team has no girl means in that 5 members team, girl should not be there. That means all boys only we need to select. Next, at least 1 boy, 1 girl. At least 1 boy, 1 girl means in that 5 members team, at least 1 boy and 1 girl should be there. So there will be several cases in that I will explain. Now, after that, at least 3 girls. At least means 3 or more. Either that means out of 5, at least 3 means either 3 or more. 3 is one case. After that, 3 or more. 4 is also one case. So those all cases we need to solve. See, first one. First one is no girl case. No girl. We need to select 5 members team. Right? Out of 4 girls and 7 boys, in how many ways can a team of 5 members we need to select? In that 5, girls should not be there. That means all should be boys, right? All should be boys. So 5 boys we can select from 7. So it will be 7C 5 ways. Right here only selection. Selecting a team, no arrangement. So only this much, 7C5. 7C5 is also equal to 7C2. 7C5 is also equal to 7C2. What is 7C2? 7 into 6 by 2. 2 ones, 2 3s, nothing but 21 ways. Next, at least 1 boy. Observe here. At least 1 boy and 1 girl. At least 1 boy and 1 girl. So there will be several cases. See, 2, 3, 4, 5. Out of 5, at least 1 boy, 1 girl. That means here if we take 1 boy and 1 girl. 1 boy, 1 girl. So remaining may be either boys or girls. So I will consider as boys. Right? So this is one case. Next. Another case is at least 1 boy and 1 girl. So in this case, I will consider only 3 boys and 2 girls. So this is also a case. At least 1 boy, 1 girl is there. Next case. 2 boys, 3 girls case. In this case also at least 1 boy, 1 girl is there. Next one. 1 boy, 4 girls case. So in this case also 1 boy, at least 1 girl is there. Here also 1 boy, at least 1 girl. 1 boy, 1 girl is there. But if we take another case, all are 5 girls means no, it should be at least 1 boy. Here also not all boys, at least 1 girl should be there. So these are the 4 conditions. Now how to simplify these 4 conditions? Here selecting a team, right? So selecting 4 boys out of how many boys? Out of 7 boys. So it will be 7C4 into selecting a girl from 4 girls is 4C1. Simplify this. Next, 3 boys selecting from 7 boys. So 7C3 into 2 girls out of 4. So 4C2. Simplify this. Next, 2 girls, 2 boys, right? So 7C2 into 3 girls out of what? 4 girls. So 4C3. Simplify this. Next, 1 boy. So 7C1 into 1, 2, 3, 4 girls. So it is 4C 4 boys. Simplify this. Now to get at least one boy or one girl means either this case is also possible, this case also possible, this case and these cases are possible. Either this or this or this. That means after getting this we need to add. We need to add these 4. So those will be number of combinations of getting or of selecting a team in which at least one boy and one girl is. See what you will get this data. So total sum of all this, so that will be the answer for this. This is about second question. At least one boy and one girl. Now what about at least 3 girls? Third case, at least 3. So we need to form 5, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We need to select 5 members. In that at least 3 girls should be there. At least 3 means either 3 or 4. At least 3 or 4. Again we cannot write 5 girls. Why? Because 5 are not there, only 4. So these 2 cases we need to find. So at least 3 girls. At least 3 girls means either 3 or more. So here 2 cases. One is 3 girls. If 3 girls means next 2 will be boys, right? So these 2 should be boys. Or another case is there. 1, 2, 3, 4 girls and 1 boy. This is also another case. So in this first case, 3 girls we need to select from 4. So 4C3 into 2 boys from 7. So 70 C2. Simplify this. And then 4 girls out of 4. So 4C4 into 1 boy out of 7. So 7C1. Simplify this and add these 2. Then you will get number of combinations of selecting a team of 5 members in which at least 3 girls. So sum of this and this you will get that. Right? I hope you understood. We have 4 girls and 7 boys. In how many ways? A team of 5 members. Team of 5 members in which no girl. No girl means all should be boys. How many boys? 7. We need to take 5. So 7C5. Next, at least 1 boy, 1 girl. So these are the combinations in which at least 1 boy, 1 girl are there. So if you add all those, you will get. Next, at least 3. At least 3 means 3 or more, greater than or equal to 3. But we have finally 4 only we need to take. Why? Because we have only limited of 4 girls. So this is about this example 21. So this is also an important question for 3 marks. Put star marks for this. Pause the video to note it down. Next we will do the very important concept. So either it may be for MCQs questions also. Like to find the rank of a word. To find rank of a word. See, for example, if the word sky is there, the word sky, if you arrange these letters, only these SKY or KSY and YKS like that, what is the rank of this word if we arrange these letters in terms of a dictionary? That means by using only these letters, by using only these 3 letters, if we arrange in a dictionary, in dictionary the words will be like in alphabetical order, it will be there. First with starting with A, B, C and then like that A to Z. So it will be like in a arranged order from A to Z it will be there. Now the dictionary, if we arrange by using only these 3 letters, then what is the order? Nothing but what is the rank of this word sky by using these 3 letters, right? So in order to find the rank of the word sky by using these 3 letters when we arrange in a dictionary manner, first of all we need to arrange these letters in alphabetical order first. So out of these SKY, which will come first in alphabetical order, only out of these 3. So first K will come, right? Next S will come, next Y will come. Now we will arrange 3 letters word by using alphabetical order, by using only these 3. So So first K is there. That means if we arrange these letters in a dictionary, we will get first it will be K. First letter will be K, right? Next, if first letter is K, next remaining two letters are there. What are those? S and Y. So two letters can be arranged in 2 factorial ways. Two letters can be arranged in 2 factorial ways. That means this is already fixed K. First letter will be fixed K. So remaining two letters can be arranged in 2 factorial ways. That means 1 into 2 factor value 2. So 2 letters. That means starting with K, two words will be there. What are those means? First one is KSY and the one is KYS. 2 letters will be there. Next, K is over. After that K, next alphabet, nothing but S. With S. So total 3 letters, right? If S is first letter, remaining next 2 can be filled in by 2 in 2 factorial ways, right? So it will be again 2 words will be there. What are those? SKY. Because after S, if you take S, out of those 2, which will come first in alphabetical order? K. So SKY and then SYK. So with S also over. Next with Y. So 3 letter word. So Y is already fixed. So next 2 letters can be filled in 2 factorial ways, which is nothing but 2. So again with Y also you will get 2 words. What are those? YKS and YSK. So totally by using these words SKY, sky, we can form 6 letters in a dictionary. 6 words we can arrange in a dictionary. So 2 plus 2 plus 2, nothing but words start with K is 2, start with S is 2, start with Y is 2. So 2 plus 2 plus 2 will get 6 words. So these are the 6 words. Now out of these 6 words, what is the rank of sky? Rank is nothing but order. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So third word is sky. If you arrange those letters in terms of alphabetical order. So nothing but rank of the word sky is 3, right? So when we are finding rank in terms of dictionary like this, only we will consider the given letters in that word, right? So this is how we need to find the rank of the word sky. So rank of the word YKS is 5. How many words we can form in dictionary order is 6, right? Based on this, we will solve the given question. Now we see, for example, if we have a word like look, as like previously, how many words we can form in a dictionary manner by using only these letters. So first of all, we will write in dictionary order, right? Alphabetical order, letters we will consider. What are those? First KR, OR, L will be there, K will be there, after that L will be there, after that O and O will be there. So by considering these, we need to form the words first. So as we have 4-letter word, so first word will start with K, right? As in alphabetical order. Now if it is K, already fixed, so remaining 3 places, empty places can be filled with 3 letters, right? So 3 factorial ways, right? But 3 factorial by 2 factorial. Why 2 factorial? Because O repeated twice, right? So 3 factorial by 2 factorial. 3 factorial value 6 by 2, which is nothing but 3. So 3 letters we can form by using K. See what are those means? What are those 3 letters means? If first word is K, next word is L, next word is O and O. Next, if it is K, after L, what will come? O, L, O. After that K, O, O, L. So these are the only 3 letters we can form by using K in dictionary order by using these letters. So with K. Next with L. L is fixed in first place. So remaining 3 letters can be filled in 3 factorial ways divided by 2 factorial ways. Again, why? Because here also O repeated twice. Next, K is over, L is over. Next with O. Either this O or this O. No difference. Anyone we can take. Why? Because both are bound. If O is there, here these 3 letters can be filled in 3 factorial ways only. Why not divided by 2 means already one y is used here. So out of these 3 only one y is there. So no need to write denominator. So only 3 factorial, nothing but 6. So 3 plus 6 is, so in 12 number of words we can form with or without meaning. Not only with meaning, with or without meaning in terms of a dictionary order. So like this we will find the solution of example number 22. Pause the video to note it down. Now observe the question number 22. Observe the question number 22. Find the number of words with or without meaning by which can be made using all the letters of the word again. All the letters of the word again. So that means given word you write. Given word is what? Again. Given word is again. By using this word, number of words with or without meaning. By using all the letters of the word again, if these words are written in a dictionary order. As how we have done before, like that we need to solve. So first of all we will write in alphabetical order. So that is A, and then next A, and then G, and then I, and then N. So these are the alphabetical order by using this given word. Now, so we need to find number of words. Number of words means number of words start with A, start with G, start with I, start with N. So total we will do means total number of words you will get. So number of words starts with A. Starts with A is equal to, it's a 5-letter word. If a word starts with A, so first place is fixed. So remaining 4 places can be filled in 4 factorial ways, right? If A is fixed already, these 4 letters can be filled in 4 factorial ways. So if A is fixed, so out of these 4 there is no repeated letters, so only 4 factorial. 4 factorial means 24 ways. That means 24 number of words we can start, we can form with letter A. Next, number of words starts with, see A is over. After that not A. Why? Because both are A only na. A is once finished. Next with G. Next with G. So with G, how many letters? G is fixed. G is fixed. So remaining 4 places can be filled in 4 factorial ways divided by 2 factorial. Why? Because A repeated 2 times. 4 factorial is 24. 24 by 2 is 12. Next, number of words start with G is over. Next with I. With I again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So first I is fixed. So remaining 4 places can be filled with 4 factorial divided by A repeated 2 times. 2 factorial, again it will be 12. Next, number of words start with letter N. So this is also same. First letter is N. Remaining 4 places can be filled with 4 factorial divided by 2 factorial, which is equal to 12. Therefore total number of words can be formed by using all the letters of the word again is again when we consider in dictionary form, which is equal to the 24 plus 12 plus 12 plus 12, which is equal to, so 24 plus 36, which is equal to 60 ways. So in 60 number of ways we can form different words with or without meaning in a dictionary form. So this is one question. Now another sub question is there. What will be the 50th word? This is very important case. What will be the 50th word? See here, by using this word again we have formed 60 words. 60 ways are nothing but 60 number of words. In that 60 number of words, what is the 50th word? In starting introduction of this how to find ranking, we have find out that sky rank. Sky rank is nothing but third. That means out of those 50 words, sky, out of those 6 words when we have found using that sky letters, third word is sky. That means rank of that sky is 3. Nothing but third word is sky. Like that, what is the 50th word out of the 60? That means how to identify. See, we cannot write all those 60 words, right? So how to identify means, see, as like in a dictionary order means order we will follow. First A, next G, next I, next L. Now, starting with A, how many letters are there? 24. That means 24 words will be there. But we need 50th word. So that word won't be start with A, right? Next, word start with G. How many are there? 12. So 24 plus 12, 36. Still we need 50th, not in 36. Next, again we will consider starts with I. So 36 plus 12 is 48 words. So by using A, G and I, if you take 48 words we can form. So that means 50th word if you want to get means not from A, G, I. It should start from N. Understood? Up to these 3 letters 48 words are happened. Next we need to find 49th and 50th. So 49th word is, see, by using AGI 48 words are over. To find 49 means next word it should start with N, right? It should start with N. See here, observe this alphabetical order. If N is fixed, so if N is fixed, what should be the alphabetical order? A. If A is also over, next is, what is the next alphabetical order? A. If A is also over, next alphabetical order is G. If G is also over, next alphabetical order is I. That means 49th word is Nagi. 49th word is Nagi. Next, 50th word. 50th word is, observe this, 50th word. That means that word also should start with N. After that, these two are compulsory, A and A. Next, GI is there, na? Those two will reciprocate. So these two, G will come here, I will come here, right? So in alphabetical order, if N is over, A is over, G is over, A is over, G is over, I is over. For that next level, N will start next with A, next with A, next with G is over, right? Next with G is over. Next we will start with I. If I is also over, so what will be the remaining word is G. So this is the 50th word. So like that we need to find. See here, while starting in alphabetical order only we need to find. If any repeated letters are there, in this remaining we will write in divided by. Otherwise directly we will write. So this is how we need to find the rank of the word and number of words we can form by using dictionary order. So for the assignment, see, we will stop with these 3 problems. In next example number 23 and 24, I will send a screenshot of those examples so that you do and copy in your notes. And now when it comes to assignment, example number 23 and 24 you do for assignment. And another assignment is find number of words. Find number of words that can be formed by using a word. Note down those. Dream. Number of words that can be formed by using the word dream. Next, so this is one sub question. Next one is find the number of words that can be formed by using the word local. By using the word local, and then find the number of words by using the word cricket. CRICKET. While finding this, if you have any doubts, you can ask in WhatsApp. Just no need to find some particular word like 50th word, 49th word, no need. First you learn how to find number of words by considering alphabetical order in this manner. So find these 3: dream, local and cricket. Observe, if any repeated letters are there, that we will write in denominator after neglecting this first word. Like this we need to solve. Hope you all understood. If not, you ask in WhatsApp. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Have a nice day. In tomorrow's session, we will come with miscellaneous exercise of this chapter. permutations and combinations. Thank you.